guys, I hope you all are fine. You all are welcome to see Recra website review. In this video, you all will get to know that whether the website is legit or it is a scam. Guys, this is not our website, so the review is totally unbiased. So let's have the quick review of this homepage. So guys, this is the home page and these all are their product, as you all can see that. So let's check it out, their one product, guys. Okay guys, so basically this is Corridor Hot Fun Summertime Short Sleeve Shirt, which cost $108. Also there is some description for this product and there are other products. So let's check it out, their menu section, guys. So this is their menu section and there is an option for clothing, so you can check it out from here, their varieties. Also guys, there is an option for login, so if you have an account for this website, so you can easily log in by using your username and password, and if you don't have your account for this website, so you will have to create it. Okay guys, so also they have mentioned that Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter button, but guys, these all buttons are fake. If you click on the Facebook button, so you will directly go to your account page, not their account page. It means that there is no any page for this website on Facebook. Also guys, this happened with all the button and this is very bad sign for the website. Okay guys, let's check it out, the About Us page. So guys, this is the About Us page and they have described about their website here. Let's check it out, their Contact Us page. So this is their Contact Us page, guys, and they have provided their email ID, calling number, contact person and the office address. Also, if you have any queries, so you can fill your name, email address, comment you want to do and send it to them. Let's check it out about their shipping policy. So this is their shipping policy page, guys, and they ship the product 7 to 10 business days, as they have mentioned that. Okay, let's check it out, their returns and exchange page, guys. So this is the return policy page where they have mentioned all the return policy for their website. Also they have provided email ID, calling number and the return address for the return purpose. Let's check it out, the terms of services page. So this is their terms and condition page, guys, and they have defined all their terms and condition for this website. Guys, do share your comment in the comment box below. Okay guys, let's check it out, their privacy policy. So this is their privacy policy page, guys, and they have described all their privacy possibility for their website. Okay guys, so in the last they have described little bit description for their company, like calling number, email ID, contact person and the address again. So let's go to the home page. Okay guys, so according to me, this website is possibly scam, as there are no Google reviews for it. Also guys, this website is not working properly, like Facebook, Instagram buttons are fake. So as per my concern, replacing and purchasing order from this website is not relevant. So if you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you want to escape from the scam website, so subscribe to this channel. Do share your comment in the comment box below. Share your experience with this website. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.